Where is he? Straight?
Yes. This is a vet track. I'll ride that shit like nothing. I'm literally the most goated dirt bike rider here.
How much brain
Is there a helmet in there? I'll flip a pit bike today.
You won't. I'll give you 10 racks to flip the bike today. 10 grand.
He's got to land
You
it.
have to land it.
Nah.
Hey, you weren't filming that, right? No one's filming that. You know?
Down, yeah.
I got you, bitch. Got you, bitch.
I'm not a dirt bike track guy.
Let me walk this thing. Alright, you guys just go like that?
Yeah.
Be like Bailey and flip it the first day I got it.
Let's see the flip.
Where's the jump at?
Right there.
Everywhere.
What are you taking the helmet off for?
Yeah.
Come on.
Bro, if I die,
You're gonna flip with a beanie on?
yeah, you guys got Bro, if I die on a dirt bike, I can't ride my bike for like 2 months and then I can't
That's right.
make money.
Yo, if you flip, you'll make 10 grand though.
Yeah, you'll have 10 G's. 10 grand, bro. Have you seen Rizzy trying to manual a bike yet?
No.
It's so funny. He goes up like 2 inches and then just straight down. You got insurance?
It's a rental, don't be gentle.
Yeah, alright.
That poor thing could talk from the last 2 months.
You gone through a set of tires yet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a little bit of rubber on there.
Dude, if I would have known you were pulling up, I would have brought mine. We could do it another day.
Sleeps the hell out of things.
That's got force.
Yeah, I've seen the videos.
Poor.
This guy ruins this probably more than Rizzy. Rizzy's pretty bad. Rizzy jumps in stuff.
Yeah, we're like 1 for 1 on getting towed away, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh,
Rizzy hit the curb that one time. Rizzy also jumped the convertible.
Let's go jump out of a fucking airplane.
My bars are so quickly, this thing's destroyed. This thing feels so nice.
You wanna go do that?
Never mind, I can
Jump out of a fucking airplane?
Nah, I'm cool.
Pussy.
I just want to try to ride this big bike track. Came all the way up here for fucking... Oh, now's the time, Shane. Come on, let's go.
Oh, God.
Shift in a second.
What are you guys doing?
He's gonna backflip. Hey, she wants to see it.
No.
Give the people what they want.
I'm not doing it. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know where to flip.
You might as well just try it.
I have a better chance flipping that.
Alright, let's go then.
She's mad. She got the whole light bar on and we're out of here. A little bit of skydive action.
She just said something higher like a homeless person.
Rizzy, don't be a bitch. Let's go skydiving.
Yeah, that's so sick, dude. That was good.
These fools are going crazy out here. I love it. We ended up at the dirt bike track with Buttery and the boys, so better do a little bit of drone footy. Go chase these guys around the track. See how that turns out.
Color me wild, won't sing no blues. Keep it safe, child. Go and break all them rules. Say your truth loud. Raise your voice and shout it out. Got the right to be proud. Turn the world upside down. Is wrong, gotta stand up, gotta move along. Cause the moment won't live forever. Don't stop now, don't burn out. Turn up, don't turn down. Cause the moment won't live forever. Get up, get crazy, let loose, set yourself free.
That was so sick.
No, be honest though.
No, it was good. It was super good. No, it was actually fire. I'm not kidding. It was sick. We'll play up.
Whop that shit! Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
On a dirt bike track, they're gonna be so mad.
They're gonna be so mad, but we just finished up the track with Hemecula, Buttery, the Deegans. Got W Moto X now.
Huh?
Guy's all up in his kits. Yo, this bitch at the gate's about to lose it. Thank you. She wasn't even mad. Bro, there's so many skydivers coming down over there. So yeah, I didn't really vlog the getting there, but where the fuck were we?
Elsinore Motor Track.
Oh, yo, look at this homie coming right there. Shee. Damn, yo, and there comes the plane right there. We're on our way to the next spot. Gonna go sesh some wow. Actually, I think we're going to the dairy first. Buttery says it's like the best milk, chalky milk ever.
Oh, it's literally right here. It's
Bet.
so bad.
So bad.
Well, I can't drink milk.
Oh, boys, do you lactose or what?
Yeah.
Shit, well, I'm gonna try some chalky milk, and then we're gonna go sesh up this new urban spot. Bitch!
Yep, right here. This is the dairy.
You guys getting some dairy?
They got the best fucking chocolate milk. Oh? They got chocolate cows here. You haven't had milk in years?
Years, bro.
Rizzy, it's not even in a bag. What kind of shit is that?
I want to eat her chocolate milk.
Yes, yes, y'all, gotta keep it fresh, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, microphone check, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, rockin' with the best, y'all. From the north to south, east to west, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, rockin' with the best, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, microphone check, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, gotta keep it fresh, y'all. From the north to south, east to west, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. From the north to south, east to west, y'all. Let me see you.
But I got spots down by me like where you'd never get in trouble, like a cop wouldn't pull up.
Oh, let's do
You can
it.
go for hours.
Bro, let's do it. Let's go shred these things.
That thing's sick as
I'm gonna get some new tires again.
Take them down to the court and then we'll get new ones.
Oh,
Let it go
100%.
all the way.
I went and found some homie with like some back alley Mexican tire shop, $100 a tire. Grab the drone. So we're at the next spot right now. A little drone action. Just like pulled over on the side of the road somewhere. Boys are unloading down here. Apparently the spot's pretty fucking sick. We got the Deegans in the fucking U-Haul.
Did you get insurance?
No.
What?
You didn't get the $15.99 insurance?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
This place is fucking sick. Hey, free couch. Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna shred some FPV, fly through these tunnels and shit. Hey, this place is gnarly. Place is sick, eh?
We go windows down, speakers up. Yeah, we banging on it. I got the pedal down, fingers up. We ain't got nothing to lose. Going windows down, speakers up. Yeah, we banging on it. I got the pedal down, fingers up. We ain't got nothing to lose. You lock me out and I come busting through your gate. I work at night, no one ever see my face. I'm always down, not afraid to catch a case. And if you see me rocking Gucci, then you know it's never fake. I'm a hitter.
You gonna hit it or what?
I don't know. If I die, I die. Bro, why they got so many cameras on me? What the fuck? Rizzy, why don't you do it? You talking all that shit.
Rider, dude.
Right here, bro. There's a pit bike right here. I'm washed up too. I haven't rode a pit bike.
Fucking 18 years old.
Okay.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, dude, I can backflip.
Dude.
Let's go, Dubby!
Dude, if I pull back, I'm gonna do it. Easy, you got it, easy. I'm saying.
I know.
Oh!
Okay, I have a dilemma. I'm at SoCal Tacos and Beer, and I don't have my ranch. Can you please drive me my bottle of ranch to SoCal? What?
She actually bringing
Yeah, she's actually bringing it.
This guy's getting ranch delivered. It's funny. He loves his ranch. Dog. Where is he?
What? I'm not gonna eat a burrito without ranch. Are you crazy? What the fuck?
This guy loves ranch.
Got accountants making budgets so that everybody eat. Yeah, fresh off the scale, the bricks I take 3. Most days are great, I lace with codeine.
Fresh tires. We all know what that means.